Hello students, this is Mr. Ramat back with another geography module specifically on weather and climate, Gateway 2 of the new 2014 geography syllabus. And here we have the examination details for the final year exam 2013. The exam will be held on 3rd October 2013. It will be an hour and 40 minutes long from 8 am to 9:40 am. There will be 2 sections in the paper totaling up to 50 marks. Section A is compulsory with 13 marks dedicated to the fieldwork component, and the remaining 12 are your normal test questions. Section B will consist of 2 questions worth 25 marks each, so just pick one of them. So let's get on to the lesson proper. So what is the greenhouse effect? It is the natural process which is essential to life on Earth. The basic idea you need to take away is that the radiation that is coming from the sun and straight to the Earth's surface is called shortwave radiation. The radiation that is reflected from the Earth's surface is called longwave radiation. So the Earth absorbs shortwave and releases longwave radiation in a nutshell. So how does it work? Shortwave radiation from the sun passes through the greenhouse gases found in the atmosphere. Some shortwave radiation is reflected by the Earth and the atmosphere. Most shortwave radiation is absorbed by the Earth's surface, which then heats up as a result. The warm surface of the Earth emits longwave radiation to the atmosphere, and finally greenhouse gases absorb longwave radiation, thus warming the atmosphere. And then comes the issue of what is the enhanced greenhouse effect. The enhanced greenhouse effect refers to an increase in the concentration of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, leading to a rise in global temperatures. Major gases in the enhanced greenhouse effect include, and not exclusive to, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. So what causes these enhanced greenhouse effect? Some people say is due to the anthropogenic factors that cause it. Anthropogenic factors are essentially human factors or activities. There are 3 main human factors for causing the enhanced greenhouse effect, namely burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and changing land use, which will be split into 3 more later. So the first human factor that we're going to talk about is the burning of fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels produces a large amount of energy that is important for human activities. They are major contributors to the global energy percentage, which makes up about 80%. They produce large amounts of carbon dioxide when burnt, and in 2010, global carbon dioxide emissions went up 5.6% from 2009. The second factor that we will be touching on is deforestation. Deforestation is the loss of forests due to the removal or clearance of trees in forested areas. Trees are chopped for wood to make products such as paper and building materials. They are also cleared to make way for developments and industrial growth. It is considered to be the second largest contributor of greenhouse gases. This is because when there are fewer trees, there will be fewer carbon dioxide absorption from transpiration, thus increasing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Finally, we touch upon changing land use. Changing land use is divided into 3 more factors, the first of which is agriculture, the practice of cultivating land, producing crops, and raising livestock. It is the 3rd highest contributor of enhanced greenhouse gases. This is due to cattle farming, and it is because it especially contributes greatly to greenhouse emissions as cattle release methane as a waste gas. The next one is the growth of industries. It refers to the production of goods and services within the country. The manufacturing industry especially involves a lot of fossil fuels burning, thus causing a large amount of greenhouse gases that are released into the air. Due to the rapid developments of China, it has become one of the largest contributors of enhanced greenhouse gases due to the large number of manufacturing companies found in the country. And finally, under changing land use, we have the notion of urbanization. It is the process by which an increasing number of people live in urban areas such as towns or cities. This means that with more people, it would require more power to sustain the people, therefore causing more fossil fuels to be burnt, more public or private transport used, and therefore more enhanced greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. And with that, let's have a quick recap on what we've learned so far. You've understood what greenhouse gases are, understood how greenhouse gases work, understood what is the enhanced greenhouse effect, you should also know that there are three main human factors for causing the enhanced greenhouse effect, namely burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and changing land use, whereby it includes agriculture, growth of industries, and rapid urbanization.